दोस्तों अभी तक आपने अगर मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताज़ा नोटिफिकेशंस वीडियोस की पाने के लिए।
Hello and welcome you all to my channel Listen to Grow. Myself Ranu Sinha. Today we will discuss what are the courses available for an MBA person. If you are seeing this video, either you are not satisfied much with your job or you are looking for a skill today so that you can add a thrust to your career. So whatever may be the reason, that's not important, but the thing is, if you want to really take an advantage from this video, do see it to the end. I have brought 7 courses which may be very useful for you if you do these courses after an MBA. So what will we be discussing today? What are the jobs available after MBA? Which job is suggested for each stream like MBA Finance, MBA Marketing, MBA HR? What are the growth after doing these time courses and how we can do that courses? So first is Executive MBA. This is the 1 year course which has been offered by IIM Bangalore and ISB Hyderabad, and there are a host of other colleges which are providing this course. You can do this course, and objective has to be clear as to what you want from this course, because there are many private professionals who are doing just for the experience. They want, you will get a good exposure from the colleges. So the objective has to be clear. You need to clear the GATE exam and then you can do the Executive MBA, and you can increase your salary by 40 to 50%. Who can do this Executive MBA? Anybody who has done their MBA and have good experience, or a working professional, a working or a business person who just want to learn and have a sub exposure. Second in my list is FRM, which is Financial Risk Manager. Yeah, this course is for 1.5 to 2 years. It's a professional certificates examination and one of the most reputed certificate program offered by the US. Online exam is distributed in 2 parts, is FRM1 and FRM2. The course is conducted, the test is conducted in a multiple choice. There is no negative marking in that, and there are papers related to market risk, credit risk, and risk management. Now, next possible question would be, what you will become after doing FRM? Yes, you can become a credit risk manager, operation risk manager, and this is the course which I suggest you do after an MBA. Third is CFA, the Certified Financial Analyst. This is a 2-year course, and this is all the certificate offered by US. If you have done MBA from an average college, then you land a job in a BPO, KPO, and the salary is not much. But if you want to increase your salary, CFA is one of the good option, and then you can get a job in credit risk as a credit risk manager, or credit management role as a research analyst, financial advisor, or a work in mutual fund houses. What is salary increase you can expect? You can increase 20 to 40% in salary. Fourth in the list is digital marketing. The first course, the Executive MBA, can be done by any MBA in any stream like finance, marketing, or HR. Second, FRM should be done by the MBA in finance person. CFA is also suggested for a MBA in finance specialization. Now, digital marketing course is suggested for a MBA in marketing person. Digital marketing is a buzzword today, and there is a lot of demand for the expert digital marketer. You can do the course from offline or online, but the doubt of the most of the people is that after doing a certificate course, can I get a job? I'll say you have to do some work as a freelancer to get a job, and simultaneously you have to work on your basics to get a job as a digital marketer. What you have to do, you have to apply for the vacant digital marketer job options available in the market, and then you are ready to go. What are the growth you expect as a digital market? You can grow. There is no limit as such. Starting from 25% can go for 400, 500%. Fifth on my list is investment banking. Yes, this is also a very good career option for an investment banker. Who is suggested to do a course? As anybody who has done MBA finance and having a 1 year MBA in finance can do. Investment banking as a course been offered by institute in Delhi which is known as Wall Street School, and they provide the course in 1.5 months only, and you will become a certified investment banker. Who can become? As I said, that's MBA, CA, CFA can become an investment banker. The package starts from 7 lakhs and goes up to 30 lakhs, and in abroad it also goes to 40 to 60 lakhs. Sixth in my list is SAP, which you can do if you have any background, be it MBA Finance, MBA Marketing, MBA HR, and this course you can do within 3 months to 1 year. After 1 year you can be an expert in SAP, and still there is a lot of demand of the SAP professional in the IT industry. What are the growth you can expect? You can expect the growth anywhere between 30% to 100%, and there are a lot of institute which provides this certificate offline and online courses in India. Seventh in my list is analytics. Yes, MBA can blend their career with analytics, because analytics is a very big domain. So there are a lot of tools in analytics like SAS and Python, and there are some courses which are tailor made for credit professionals also, like credit risk analytics. This you can do, and what you have to do is, if you're working in some company, you can apply for an internal job posting after doing these courses, and you can convince your present company that you can do this job, or you can apply for the vacant positions across India for the different companies. And what you have to do is keep your basics very strong, work on some good projects online, and then probably you can convince the interview that you can do this job. So these were the 7 jobs which you can do after an MBA, which can be useful. Please comment, do you like the video, and what are the suggestions for improvement, and I'll be bringing these kind of videos in career sections. And thank you for watching my channel.